Hello everyone, I'm Cesar Saavedra and I'm a staff developer advocate here at GitLab. Today we're going to cover how to modernize your Java code using GitLab Duo with Amazon Q. Upgrading your application to a later and supported version of Java can be a tedious and time-consuming activity. You need to spend time learning about deprecated, updated, and new features and libraries, and you may even need to rewrite code. With GitLab Duo with Amazon Q, you can transform legacy Java 8 or 11 applications to Java 17 in minutes instead of weeks. In this example, a mortgage calculator is currently built with Java 8, but we'd like to modernize it to take advantage of Java 17 features. Let's create an issue for this transformation task. We specify that we want to focus on refactoring our code to Java 17. With the issue created, let's use the /q transform command to have Duo with Q modernize our project's codebase. This automated process analyzes your codebase, creates an upgrade plan, and generates ready-to-review merge requests while maintaining full traceability. GitLab Duo with Amazon Q creates a merge request that updates our existing functionality to use Java 17 instead of Java 8. Let's review the changes. The mortgage calculator CLI, GUI, and model files have been updated with Java 17 constructs, and the pom.xml has been updated with Java 17 configuration and dependencies. All functionality is preserved. The tests still pass and the application works the same, just with improved modern code. GitLab Duo with Amazon Q streamlines the migration process and accelerates your development, helping you build faster, but also writing better, more modern code, so that you can deliver software faster. Until next time, bye.